长的人工讲解，这一圈30分钟左右车程，大家还有坐车的这段时间。从北京。
北京啊。
也有步行街，我这边还有霸王餐。
Zico. Kung Fu Master. Yung flag. The roof, very distinct Chinese roof. Beijing, Beijing. Okay.
下次一张。
This Anta, I think, is a Chinese brand, sports brand. They're trying to compete with Nike and Adidas. Okay. At the peak of Labubu cruises. Yeah. I'm curious how many people were standing in line to buy like Bubu at the peak of the madness. You can see lots of people. Just imagine the amount of people that are standing in line now. The basic restaurant just to eat. I don't know if people are still crazy here about like release of iPhones. Because they say Huawei is a big competitor now.
Yes, some people don't use their phone at all like we have.
So in the past when iPhone was like the number one phone technology, we imagine on the release day it was crazy to try and get one here.
And that's the shop we should visit in Uniqlo. It left Russia some time ago, and quality of the clothes, sweaters, jeans are very high. Prices like Zara. Many people are missing the shop, and I saw some bloggers who recommended to buy British things, etc. I like some models, so we will visit them when we see.
No problem. This one is completely shut down for some reason. Oh, KFC. I don't know what they're selling here, but everything is red.
Glass cover, like
What, you keep heading straight? So far.
this shop is very popular with the hand cream. One block straight, then right.
Okay.
那边也有步行街，我前面还有个棒球场。要是还有哪一把？
你分个不知道分钱，我不是费了。这把它数一下，
我没去过，我没去过，反正。我还记得我小的时候，我们就是过年的时候，我家是在哈尔滨市那个北京下边的一个延庆。
Wangfujing. This was a Chinese-made car. Oh, Huawei.
Not so many people inside.
Yeah, Apple still dominates because I remember Open Fire and there was still significant amount of people in Huawei in Apple store. Disney. think
Cross and
cross
then
is
to the
blocked.
right.
Okay. In the heart of Beijing. Beijing city. Seems like this hotel is out of business, or why is it? I mean, like the Beijing hotel. It's kind of close.
It looks empty.
Yeah. It would be a bit sad if it is out of views, because it's right in the heart of the city.
We can cross here and then go to the right.
No, I think the hotel, the main entrance is the other way. That is why.
Okay. We can cross downstairs.
How about we go straight?
Okay.
I think there has to be a place to still cross somewhere. It's a Chang'an Club. Oh, that's the main entrance of it.
Looks like it's still working.
Of course. Young. Seems like these telephones are still working.
Which telephone?
There's a telephone booth over there. This is still part of the hotel.
Cross.
Yeah. Let's see, they're on the ground crossing. It's interesting here. It's quite unusual. Ну, вообще есть, просто не светится.
Экономия, правильно.
Forbidden City. I think we saw that building yesterday.
Вы здесь, да, были?
Yep.
Туда, сюда?
I don't get it. Huh?
带个饭香蛇嘞，地都不落。
Nova Ultra 15.
Ты Huawei хотел, да, какой-то?
No, I don't want it fun. Я просто хотел пройти и смотреть.
的夜景游观光车，看天安门广场、城楼、灯塔。